Police Brigadier General Nick Torre, District Director, QCPD. We use technology and we ensure that our personnel are all working and giving their best, 100%. Sa ngayon, with the technology, nadagdagan ngayon, may database tayo. Real-time monitoring, nakikita namin ang ginagawa ng mga tao namin. Kaya pag tinignan mo yung screens natin, nakikita namin sila through drones. So, nakakapagbigay kami ng mas maayos na impormasyon para ang kanilang responde mas maayos, especially sa mga drugnet operation. Meron dyan, may makita kayo dyan, may car chase dyan, may sunog dyan, may aksidente dyan, may nag-suicide dyan, may mga drones na nagpo-focus dyan. Very important, very important. Napakalaki ng gamit sa akin dito ng drone nito. Talagang, especially sa surveillance and then daily monitoring, sila talaga yung isa sa malaking source of information namin. Well, I can say that we're still scratching the surface. We won't stop until we will be the best and we can actually maximize the use of our drone.